Hey folks, JD here, and this week's video is brought to you by the Eachine Tilt Rotor. I haven't flown this in, it's got to be a year, if not longer. I bought it because I was really intrigued to see how it would fly. It's different, as you can see from the video, it's different. Its flight trajectory is different to a standard quadcopter, and I absolutely adored it. I think it's about time I crack this back out and actually take it back out and do some speed tests and everything else. It's a fantastic quadcopter. Well, tilt rotor. If you want to find out more information about this, then you can find it in the description. Okay, so this week, what have we got? We have got a load of stuff coming for you this week. So, just before I get into what's coming, I've got a next load of quadcopters, cars, planes, and helicopters turning up in the next week or two. It's been seriously late this time around. It still hasn't arrived, so I've got some other stuff, and that's what's coming this week. So, starting off Monday, we have MJX Bug 6. This is a subscriber requested video. Is it still good after me having it for 1 year? What are the pros? What are the cons? Do I still think it's relevant in 2019? On Tuesday, we have the Tello FPV. This is part 2 to the video we had on Sunday night. This is us going into the app in more detail. On Wednesday, we have the ZD Racing, my shoddy repair. So this is my repair, looking at it, seeing if it actually worked, and me bashing the hell out of the car to see if I can get my repair to break, or does it actually withstand? We'll have to wait to find out. On Thursday, we've got the Ghoul RC T700 unboxing quadcopter. Then on Friday, we've got the Ghoul RC T700 quadcopter indoor flight. I couldn't fly this outside yet because we've had 40 to 50 mile an hour storms for the past week and a bit, and it's just been it's been impossible to fly outside. On Saturday, we've got the X-Max jumps. This is me taking the X-Max to a new place, brand new, jumping it 4 or 5 foot in the air and just seeing exactly what we can get out of this particular truck. Sunday, we've got presents from Heath. So once again, thank you very much, Heath. Heath has given us a little present to open up. I don't know what it is yet, so we'll have to wait and find out and see exactly what it is on Sunday. Alright then, my friends, well, that's another week done and dusted. I hope you all have a good week this week. I hope you can get everything that you want to get done. As usual, if you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments. Hit me up on Facebook, Reddit, Discord, all the usual places that all you fantastic people do. Thank you for being part of the community, part of the YouTube channel, and everything that you give to this channel. It is absolutely staggering. Right then, my friends, have a great one. Take care of yourself and look after each other. Take care and happy RCing.